Hey guys, so we're in English, and yeah, so that's
everybody's cool. Looking at us.
Everybody's looking at us, so it's cool. You know? Yeah, I think we're having yogurt today or something. You know, there's a whole bunch of yogurt and fruit and apples up there. So
I look really tan.
Yeah, and this teacher hates me, so I'm gonna go. Okay, bye. So now I'm in the car going to get my braces off with my stepdad. He's such an idiot. Just kidding, kinda. Yeah, so it took him like 15 minutes to come pick me up because it takes forever. Just saying, it took forever. And yeah, I'm excited, yet nervous, yet happy, yet I don't know. I have mixed feelings about this. Oh, that sun is bright. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So this is the last time you guys are gonna see me with braces. I'm so excited, guys. Okay, hey guys, look, I got them off. It was really awkward at first, like, cause she just went in and she just like ripped them all off, like everything. She didn't do piece by piece what I thought she was gonna do. And then like back here you had these things, and those, like, one got stuck and it kind of hurt getting it out. But it was like the most painful part about it is I have sensitive teeth, so like they're going and doing them, and it was really like painful with the coldness when they were drilling off the cement. And then up here I have like rigid teeth, but they're gonna fix those. Like they're up right there, they're up there, but they're gonna fix those when my teeth get more like not sensitive. So yeah. Okay, so now I decided I don't want to go to school, and he's like, you don't have to, I guess. Plus it's just review day for finals, which I know I'm gonna rock the finals hopefully. But yeah, so I'm going to a Leeds group with him, and this bag, so my dentist people, that was weird, these construction people are looking at me, but they give me this whole bag full of like stuff that you're not allowed to have when you have braces, so I'm gonna eat it and have a great day. Hey guys, so now we're gonna go to Outback, and the whole family's with us. And yeah, so I just got done at Target picking up a gift for my friend Ashley for Secret Santa, so yeah. Hey guys, so actually, sorry if you can't hear me, but actually we decided to go to Texas Roadhouse because, yeah, and like we're addicted to their rolls, so he brought us 2 because we went through 2, and their butter is amazing. It has like cinnamon in it, so yeah.